beautiful 70-something degree morning. It is going to be 92 today, which, you know, when you're acclimated, it ain't that big of a deal. I'm used to the heat. I was born and raised in the heat. Southern California, baby. And I'm not talking like Bay. You know, we're talking, I mean, I guess it's central. It's pretty much central Cali. Fresno. I mean, that's I think as central as you can get. What an armpit of a fucking city, dude. If you're from Fresno, bro, I'm sorry. I lived there for a while. Yeah, not great. Pretty freaking dang hot. So, today on the docket, we've got leg day, baby! I've got the weakest legs of anybody I know. There's a dude in here, his gym, or at the gym, what am I saying? There's a dude at the gym, his kid goes there. He's like 16. He's probably got stronger legs than I do. So, that's not for lack of trying. I try, but I just get so winded. I also have knee issues, but I think my knees should be fine today. Last night I went and worked out with a buddy out in Salem. I did 2 gym days yesterday, and we finished up with 2 sets of hack squats, just to kind of see. Oh, they had a lever squat. They had a damn lever squat there, dude. That was freaking rad. I've never used one before. I thought it was freaking radical, dude. It was kind of weird at first, but after, you know, I got my foot placement down, like, oh my god, it was amazing. I don't know why we don't have one. But yeah, dog. Leg day, bro. So what are we gonna do for leg day? I think what we'll do is we'll start with hamstrings. We'll start with seated hamstring curl, just to get my knees all lubed up and moving. Then we'll move over to I don't know. We'll either move over to hack squat, leg extension, or deadlift. Now I'm going to be adding deadlifts to my routine. I talked about it before. When I was at my strongest, like when my lower extremities were at their strongest, I was spamming deadlifts. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do some deadlifts. We're not going to spam them. Last time I did it, I only did 95-pound deadlifts. I did like 5 sets of 20 or something like that. Just because I haven't done it in so long, I wanted to get my body used to it again. And so that's what we'll do. And then I think we'll just go up to 135. You know, and do the same thing. Because I don't want to just, I'm 33. I hurt. And so we'll just do that. But we are going to throw hack squats in there. Now when I do my hack squats, when I extend my leg all the way, I flex my calf, or my quad, flex, lock that leg out. And that really gets just that much more out of every single rep. And I've said it before. Someone will say, "Oh, you shouldn't lock your legs out. I've seen too many people injure themselves." No, you saw that one video where that guy's knee went backwards because he was jerking the weight around like a damn college gym bro douchebag. As long as you're being smart with it, with a weight you can handle, and you're controlling your weight, you're good to go, dog. You're straight. Don't worry about it. Right? Your knees, I mean, your legs are meant to lock out. Right? Well, I'm not saying like all the time, but you can sit there and lock your knees out, your legs out. How else do you flex your quad? Let's say you're stretching, you're laying down. it's not gonna just like snap, you know, relax. You gotta do something wrong for that to happen. So stop tripping. You'll be alright. And then we'll smash calves. I think we'll do both seated and standing, probably 3 sets each. I think the first set will be like a high weight, low rep set. And then the second one will be like more of a hypertrophy thing. Low weight, high rep. Like borderline trying to get a cramp. And then cardio. Now I say all this, I know I'm going to throw in some other bullshit. Oh, I need to do shoulders. See what I mean? And then we'll do some lateral raises. We might sprinkle those in kind of intermittently, kind of in between. Something satisfying about a freshly harvested field, you know what I mean? Pretty cool. So I had a interesting gym experience last night with my buddy who just recently got back into the gym. Noah, what up, dog? Bro, for someone who doesn't work out, I mean now he does, but fucking A, he's got his form on lock. Now he's got to like get the mind-muscle connection going on and the muscle memory and all that shit, develop a lot of his subcutaneous muscles and stuff, but he's got it down. He's got the nice slow eccentric, you know, control that movement, and he fucking tries. And I thought it was amazing. I was like, dude, nice. I was impressed. I was really impressed. And didn't hear a single ounce of complaining, didn't freaking say anything dumb. He was open to criticism and critique. I thought that was amazing. So, and that's a great attitude to have in all aspects of life. So let's say you're going into, this guy has his hood open, right? So let's say you're going to the mechanic, or not the mechanic, but a buddy comes over who is a mechanic or whatever. You think you might know some things, but it's best to just shut up and let the guy who's been doing it forever talk. And just listen to him, you know, because he might say a lot of garbage, but if you weed through all of the words, you're gonna hear sparks of knowledge here and there. You know, you're gonna have some better understanding of what's going on just by listening and paying attention, you know. And then talk. You can talk too. Talk about it. Ask questions. It might sound like a dumb question, but it'll help you form a better picture of what's going on. In like I said, in all aspects. Whether that's roofing, plumbing, HVAC, electrical, working out, diet, a video game. It could be freaking dang anything. Riding a motorcycle. You think you might know. There's always more to learn everywhere. It's foolish to think that you've learned it all, that you can't learn any more. That's impossible. Anyway, so we're gonna go in there, smash our legs. It's gonna be a good freaking time. I don't know if I'm gonna start stitching these together. A 30-minute video seems to be a little bit annoying. My retention rate is super low on those types of videos, so I might cut it up. It might be this video might be a boring standalone video. I'll try to think of like a topic or something for the way home, and we'll just see how it works out when I edit it. Anyway, if I don't see you after the transition, I'll see you in the next video.